I come from Oregon in the United States. The value for Sigep in our business is allowing us to expand into bigger businesses, bigger baking businesses, and letting us grow. Well, I think that some of the technology is a little bit more advanced on some of the Italian-made products, and that allows us to offer those different style of equipment to our customers, and that allows both our customers in all of the U.S. to grow within using those products. Some of the latest trends that our customers are seeing are the adaptation of fast food, to-go service, packaging, and new modern styles. And so a lot of the stuff here touched on that quite a bit. So some of the products allowing us to offer to our customers some of the food products that we don't usually do. We usually just service the equipment. So we can offer them now the gelato and the coffee packages to complete that entire business package that we offer to them.